Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a gas stop gauge and emergency shutoff valve to a propane tank. And the thing you want to do is just like you're hooking your grill up to the propane tank, take your LCC adapter here and connect that to the propane tank. And when you install it, make sure that you have the gauge here pointed up as much as possible when you're installing it. So now the next thing we're going to do is hook up the grill. So you just want to take the adapter to your grill and hook it up to the gas stop valve, just like you would as you're hooking it up straight to the propane tank. And now we'll see that because the tank's not on, I haven't opened it yet, the valve is down here in the red. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. And the gauge is also the primer for the gas stop. You're going to prime it 3 times. And now we see that the tank has gas in the green. That means it's good. So that's how you install a gas stop gauge to a propane tank. If you need one, shop one of our Amazon links we have. This is a really good product. It's a high quality product. So once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. Thank you for watching. And as always, have a great day.